In this video, I want to talk about Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a small but beautiful country in South Asia. It is surrounded by India on three sides and the Bay of Bengal to the south. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka, and the main language is Bengali, and the second language is English, and the national flower is water lily. About 170 million people live here. Bangladesh is a land of rivers. The Podda, Jamuna, Meghna are the most important ones. It is an agricultural country where rice, jute, and tea are grown. The country is famous for the Cox's Bazar and Sundarban. Bangladesh became independent in 1971 after a long struggle. It is developing rapidly in many sectors like education and technology. No more today.